In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Loop quickly and efficiently. Microsoft Loop is a powerful tool that can transform the way you collaborate, and I'm excited to guide you through the process of getting started with it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This initial search will help you navigate to the right page and ensure you're on the official Microsoft platform. Once you find the relevant link, click on it to access the Microsoft Loop homepage. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any unnecessary security issues. Next, it's time to sign in to your Microsoft account. Look for the Sign In option, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply enter your credentials. This step is crucial as it links your work to your account, allowing you to save progress and access documents from anywhere. During the sign-in process, you might be prompted to enter your password and then verify your identity. This could involve being sent a one-time password or OTP via email. Don't worry, it's a simple verification step to ensure your account's security. Once you've successfully entered the OTP, you'll be taken straight to the Microsoft Loop dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, where you'll start to see the power of Microsoft Loop unfold. It's designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you to create and manage collaborative components. You'll find various options and components you can work with, which are instrumental in shaping your projects and ideas. Now, if you're using Outlook alongside Microsoft Loop, there's an exciting feature you should know about. You can create and share Loop components directly from your emails. This seamless integration means that you can enhance your communication, making it more dynamic and interactive. To do this, simply open your Outlook, and you might find a Loop button in the email composer. Clicking on it will allow you to insert Loop components into your emails, making collaboration a breeze. Moreover, accessing these Loop components from the Outlook navigation pane makes it effortless to manage your tasks and collaborate in real time with colleagues or team members. You'll find that having Loop components in your Outlook adds a layer of efficiency to your day-to-day communication. That's it. With these steps, you've enabled Microsoft Loop and set the stage for enhanced collaboration and productivity. Remember to explore its features to truly leverage all that Microsoft Loop has to offer. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to maximize your use of Microsoft tools. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.